Recorded in July 1990. The collections are one of the most diversified in the world, with about 9,000 to 10,000 different catalogued toys. The collections cover almost the entire field of Western type of toys and games. This is a view from the entrance. In the museum we have about 15 old amusement machines they are all working in working orders and can be used by the visitors. This machine is an old English arcade machine football game. Of course, Mickey Mouse and other Disney figures are also represented in the collection. These figures were probably used for motion picture advertising. And they date back to the 1940s. Another game is this old English golf game, rebuilt for Swedish currency. It's in perfect working condition. The games are very popular among our visitors. This is a view from the museum's shop where we sell posters, postcards, reproduction toys, etc. This wall frame shows how children were dressed in the old days. All along the stairs we have cases showing different kinds of games and children's books. Here's a selection of the old card games, educational and games also for grown-ups. This German music box can be used by the visitors by putting one Swedish krona. One case shows the former school in this house. And here's also other educational material. This book dates about 1840-45. The collection also covers some children's books, mainly picture books with chromolithographed pictures. And here are other quite well-known games like Lotto, chess, Spilliken, etc. A quite rare toy is a speaking book. By means of small bellows you can hear different sounds from different animals. Old Spilliken games made in Sweden in the middle of the 19th century. And different kinds of lotto games for educational purpose. This is a nice lithographed wooden toy that is used combined with a small pistol. It's a target, and the idea is to shoot off the heads of these strange creatures. German factory made about 1880. More children's books. Now we are up on the second floor where we have all the mechanical toys, mainly novelty toys and transportation toys. We have a wide range of all kinds of mechanical toys. Most of the mechanical toys are made or were made in Germany, and the period is about 1860 up to 1940s. Here's a display case that shows some old original catalogs. From the ceiling we have some old trams and carts and bicycles. Here's a display case that shows mainly steam engines and steam engine equipment. All the well-known German manufacturers are represented, like Marklin, Doll, Planck, Carrette, Bing, etc. All the steam engines in the collections have been renovated into the smallest detail. A straight roller made by Doll. A hot air engine by Bing. A quite advanced machine by Marklin. A beautiful locomobile made by Marklins in the 1920s. A very exclusive toy. This is another hot air engine. And the vertical machine is by Bing and the horizontal by Marklin. Another hot air engine by Carrette, and a large accessory by unknown German maker. This is a model made about 1915. Some wooden toys on the top, early Swedish made buses of wood. Here are more steam engines, including some electrical toys. The total number of steam engines are about 80, but all are not exhibited. Some old electric motors for children, mainly German. This is a telegraph, used in schools probably. Here is one of the most interesting electric toys in the collection. It's a wireless telegraph dating back to about 1910 and made by Bing factory. It still has its original case. A nice piece of accessory made by Bing. And here's one by